Okay, let's see what we can do with this thing we're going to photocopy. Sorry about the shaky hand. I haven't done for about nearly 2 months. I haven't photocopied at home, and I normally do like a set of 15 demos. And unfortunately, my hand has lost its steadiness because my wrist isn't as strong, because I normally, my wrist has been exercised. I think we're just gonna, what are we gonna do with this? We're gonna make it 200%. But basically I'm not used to holding this phone as long as I'm holding it. Usually I'm used to it because I do this on a weekly basis, but I haven't done it for a while. I had to pull up from doing home demos just temporarily. So let's see how we go. Actually, this is a piece of newspaper, so we might as well lighten it. Don't know how we're going to make it look. Okay, let's see what it is. It is a newspaper clipping talking about the environment, talking about the hottest sites on the planet. So this is basically about climate change, if I'm correct. Can't be bothered reading it now. I can't. I'm busy doing a demo. But basically we have a big problem with climate change, and a lot of people don't believe in it. And a lot of rich people don't believe in it. So they're the ones that have the power to alter the face of this planet. And yet people like me, who see the problem but can't do nothing about it, we have to put up with this bullshit. And I want to make a difference. You know, when I become a rich person from building the best photocopiers on earth, I want to give most of my money away for good causes like science and technology, to help fix the planet, and also to keep people from becoming poor. So we don't want the way the world has become. It's become tilted in favour of the rich, and those of us who are not as fortunate don't get any kind of say in how the planet is run. And it's really cruel. And it's not fair, but what can we do? You know, like at the moment I have no power over these rich people. I can't sway them like people who run the photocopier industry is what I'm thinking mainly of. I don't have any power. I use the equipment, but I don't have any say in how it's made, or I don't... equipment should last more than 10 years, not the Konica Minolta make their equipment only last 5 years. And I just hate to think of the CO2 that is being belched into the atmosphere at the photocopier factories of Konica Minolta. I have no fucking respect for the status quo. The status quo pisses me off and upsets me. And I have no fucking power at this stage to make any kind of discernible difference. I can talk about it on YouTube, I can talk about it on any other social media platform, but it's not going to reach the masses, unfortunately. There's just not enough people out there with the money and the power who want to make a difference. They just want to be a problem. For some reason, they see it more fun to be a problem. I don't understand why people want to be a problem. I'd like to be on the good side of the coin. I'd like to be doing good for mankind, not fucking up and being a fucking total failure. And these people in the photocopier industry, to me, are fucking failures. I don't have any respect for the status quo. I will endeavour to get my word out as much as I can on social media, But ultimately, this needs a bit more enlargement. But basically, we need more people to be aware of things, and most people are just so blissfully unaware. They just somehow manage to put their heads in the sand, while smart people have to try their best to find a solution, because this is going to kill a lot of people. We're going to lose a lot of human lives here, folks, because of climate change. And these stupid fucking companies don't give a rat's about what their products are doing to our planet. And I read about stuff that Konica Minolta is supposedly doing to make a difference, but I'm just cynical. If they really wanted to make a difference, they'd make their machines last a lot longer, so you don't have to manufacture new ones. So, the reduction in manufacturing should be the first thing. This is our first piece. So the reduction in manufacturing, it's a no-brainer. If you want to make a machine, if you want to contribute to the planet, you've got to make your equipment last. And my benchmark, and I've set it really high, for a photocopier should be 60 years. And the actual photocopier, recycling should be built into the machine, like how to make the machine easier to strip at the end of its workable life. So you have to think about the future. You can't just think about here and now and how much fucking money you can rip off your customers. I had to bloody take a bank loan out for this fucking piece of shit, because my old machine no longer had spare parts, and therefore the dealer could not give me a service agreement. So without a service agreement, I'd be stuck without a working machine, unless I spent money on it, and there probably wouldn't be any spare parts. So I just basically had to relent and get this. So fucking Konica Minolta, you've made money out of me, but up yours, you fucking bitches. I hate you. I fucking hate you. I hate you. I fucking hate you. And you don't know how much I hate your kind of people, Konica. I'm not afraid of you, bitch. I fucking call you all the names under the fucking hot sun until I fucking die, you fucking assholes. You don't know anything, Konica. You're fucking run by a stupid idiot called Shoei Yamana. Fuckwit. Dickhead. I hate him. I hate you, Shoei. Shoei Yamana. Fuckwit. You go to fucking buggery, bitch. You don't know anything about environmental sustainability. You're full of shit. And that's what I'll leave you with. You're fucking full of shit, Shoei. Go fuck yourself.